How do I go about working out problems? That's a good question. Well, all the content of this course is under the tab Content, so let's click on that. And in this particular case, we are concerned with Chapter 1, so we're going to click on Chapter 1. And first thing we see in the chapter are the lecture videos, and they're in two forms, Tegrity and YouTube. And the Tegrity videos are adjustable, so you can increase the speed or decrease the speed to your liking. The YouTube are just redundant forms of the same videos, just in case the Tegrity doesn't work on your computer. But down at below, we have the problem sets, and we have them either in education form or YouTube. And if I click on one of those folders and go into it, I see that the problem set is a PDF file at the top of the folder. So let's click on that. Here's the problem set for Chapter 1. These are all the problems that I would like you to do for Chapter 1. Now you go in there after you've learned the chapter and you try to work these problems. And if you run into difficulty in working a problem, then you might want to actually check the solution on Educations. So if we go back, we see that below this PDF file, we have short videos from 2 to 5 minutes long, a worked out solution to every problem in the problem set. Let's click on one of these, for instance. And it's an education video. And you have me talking and working out stroke by stroke what you should be doing to solve this problem. It's great. The main thing, though, is that you should learn the methods that I am demonstrating here, and then once you've learned those methods, to take it upon yourself to close the video and close the solution, reread the problem, and work out the problem on your own. So unless you do it, you don't know it. So you can watch me do a solution all day, but you have to do it to know it. So even though we have this crutch of all these problems worked out, you need to take it upon yourself to actually learn how to problem solve, and you have to close the solution at some point to do that. All right, so let's go back here. So we have all the problems worked out. Now even looking at problems and trying to do all the problems in the problem set might be a little bit too much. So if we go back to the chapter, we see that in the middle of this chapter there is a Essential 10 homework assignment. This homework assignment tells me the 10 most essential problems in this chapter. And if I learn those problems, I will learn the essential material of this chapter. So I want to learn how to do those problems, not just look at the solution, but how to do these problems. And in the very least, and maybe if I have more time, I want to work out problems that are similar to these and work my way up to possibly doing all the problems in the problem set. But do as much as I can, and definitely do these essential 10. So those are problems I need to learn and problems I need to be able to work out. So once I've learned those problems, I should be ready for the quiz. If I work out the problems for that chapter in that week. Because the quiz will be very similar to the Essential 10. Many times I take problems from the Essential 10, I just change a few numbers, and that's my quiz. So be ready for that. The quiz is generally 25 minutes long, 2 problems, and you have to find the answer and select the right answer. So that's should set you up for the quizzes. Now, in my opinion, if you do all the problems in the problem sets and learn all the problems, you will be ready for the exams as well. So as far as the quizzes go and the exams go, this is the work that you have to do.